video will be talking about to analyze the market using support and resistance. So firstly, before diving, this is a new year, so anything that is making us money this year, we are bargaining. So obviously I'm trading a $5,000 account for the beginning of this year, a profit account aqua 400 where I got myself. So let me quickly go and get the other phone. I'll show you the account right now. Yeah, so I've gotten it already. So let me quickly show you the account on the MT5. Yeah, so what we'll be talking about, I already told you is on the video. So today we'll be doing full video how to analyze the market using support and resistance. Why you also want to get a free course, you can click the link on my Telegram channel. It's on the description below. You can also check it. Yeah, so I'm coming. It's still loading. You can see it. So this year, for believe in whatever you are doing, I believe this year will be achieving something greater than last year because this is the first time of streaming this year. Doing crazy, crazy, crazy. We're achieving big things this year, bro. Fuck the unbelievers. Unbelievers shall cry, man. So yeah, this is the account. I started trading the account last week and I'm still on drawdown. I'm coming. I'm on drawdown. Can you see it here? Hold on. I'm on drawdown actually. I'm on drawdown of $167, which I obviously do the mistake. I'll be showing the mistake here live, and this is the account. You can see it right. Fun. I just started trading the account, so let's dive into the stuff. Obviously, we shouldn't be trading by now because this is not the session. The other session I trade is London session and New York section. You understand the things we do, obviously. So before we start, let's get into the charts. Let me clear let me clear the stuff. I'm coming now. So now, before you do anything, number one, you have to know the trend of the market. Before you do anything in the chart, you have to know the trend of the market. After that, look for your main zone level, your zone level. That's what we'll be learning how to put a support and resistance. That you know how do you know the trend? And there are two different type of trend, basically the uptrend and the downtrend, which simply means bullish and bearish. If you can see other my others video wey I've already done dropped on YouTube, you could see that I've dropped beginner class for day one and day two. That's the only one. Why people that paid did it on VIP class. So how can you identify the trend? How do you know this a bullish trend and a bearish trend? This is how you could see identify them. You see an higher low, higher higher low, higher higher low, higher higher low. And the simplest way to identify a uptrend is when you see the market going up. Okay, that's a basic level. But now the main basic level in forex trading, how to identify when the market is going up, is by seeing seeing if the market move up. If the market move up, comes down back, moves up, the market have to come back down to retest this last high. You get what I'm saying? Market has to retest, sorry, the market has to come back down to retest this last high. Are you getting what I'm saying now? When it reaches this last high, it moves up again, come back, retest the last high, moves up, come back, retest the last high. That's when we simply know that we're having a bullish trend. You get my point? Now to identify your zone of the market, now let's go on the real practical level. Let's use the chart. This is GBP USD we want to analyze. And before you take any trade, always remember, before you take any trade, buy when the market is low and sell when the market is high. Eh? Buy when the market is low and sell when the market is high. Sorry, I quickly need to take water. Sorry. Yeah, I'm back. Buy when the market is low and sell when the market is high. So I have to take water. I have to take water. So I'm already back. I'm already okay. So what did I say? Buy when the market is low and sell when the market is high. And this is GBP USD. How can you identify when the market is buying? Obviously, we're already on a bullish trend. You could see the market has been giving us higher high, higher low, higher high. Market eventually came down, giving us a reversal chart pattern. If you want to learn how to do the reversal chart pattern, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll do a quick video on how to identify chart pattern of the market, reversal chart pattern, double bottom, double top. I'll teach all of that. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on the link below on my description. So the market gave us a reversal chart pattern, which was giving us left head and right shoulder, which was making it to go right up. You can see it clearly, and it went right up. So what are we looking for this trade? Now we're looking for how to put our support level because the market is on a bullish trend, right? What did I say? Bullish trend. The market is going up. So what are we supposed to look for? We're looking for a bullish trend. So we put in our support level. And the recent support level is at the neckline at this point. At the neckline at this point. This is our support level. So the key point is again that you should learn when you learn how to use your support and resistance level. When the market breaks is a resistance level, it become a support. I'm coming. Are you getting it? When the market breaks a resistance level, it becomes a support. But when the market breaks the resistance level, the support level, it becomes a resistance. Let's take a quick example. This place. Okay, yeah. This was a resistance level. This point. Let me draw the chart. Imagine the market was going up higher, higher, low, higher, higher, low, higher, higher, low. Now, this place was our support actually. The last low was our support actually. I'm sorry. The last low was our support actually. The market broke it. That means when the market broke the last support level, the last low, already the market became becomes a resistant level. That means when the support level is broken, it becomes a resistant. And when the resistant level is broken, it becomes a support. Are you getting me? If you are getting the press fire, and if you are watching and you want to learn more, subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'll teach you more for free, and join my Telegram channel just for free. I don't play charges, just for free. Let's go on. Let's go on. So the market already broke. Now let's continue. At this our support level, we already found our support level already. So what are we looking for again? We already found our support level on the higher time frame. Remember, for you to know where your know how the market is moving, to know the trend of the market, you have to go on the higher time frame to figure it out. Are you getting it? Go on the higher time frame. When you see the higher time frame, now what are you simply waiting for? We are actually waiting for the market to come back down. There's another key level I'm also seeing right now, which you should be noticing. This point. This is the point we should also be waiting for. What are we also doing? We are waiting for the market to come down here. But obviously, we are swing traders. I'm not a scalper. I'm a swing trader. I'm a day trader, I mean. And a day trader is to look for a simply move. We can cash up and make our money and lead the chart. So we'll go to our 1 hour time frame. On our 1 hour time frame, we are still on a bullish trend. So what are we looking for? We are looking for a basic level where we will take half opportunity and execute and make our money and lead the chart now. So what are we looking for? Look for another support level. What are we looking for? Another support level. We could see another chart pattern. This another chart pattern, W pattern. So mark it out. Mark it out. The market is already respecting the W pattern. So the market already give spiked up. But what are we looking for? Market is coming back to retest the line. This is just like high, just like the uptrend that you can see. High, higher low, high. Market is coming back to retest this place. That means he has given us sorry, more opportunity to do what? To buy. Because the market has given us another trend line opportunity. So what are we looking for? To buy. But actually, I'm not here to just to like trade, execute the market. I'm here to tell you that, to teach you how to use the support level and the resistance level. Are you getting it? Hit the subscribe button if you are getting it, and send react with fire. React with fire. So what I'm seeing in this place, what are we looking for? The market has gone up, retest the neckline. The market already retest the neckline. This is the neckline of the double bottom here. And the market came back here to retest the neckline. The market came back to retest the neckline. So what are we waiting for? If the market retest the neckline, we'll be waiting for confirmation pattern on the lower time frame. So the higher time frame that I recommend you to be using while you are following me, or you want to show you my signals, you should use your 4 hours time frame. That's the highest. That 4 hours is to check your trend of the market, to check the trend of the market if bullish or bearish. 4 hours. Your 1 hour is to look for your chart pattern or your key level. I can also check that on your 4 hours. While on your 15-minute time frame, the less time frame I recommend you to use to check your chart pattern, your key zone, the way you execute. That's how I trade. Are you getting it? So now you see the lower time frame is giving us another trend. It's giving us a bearish trend, but the overall trend is still bullish. Are you getting what I'm saying? The overall trend is still bullish. the overall trend is still bullish, as you can see. So don't be carried away with the minor trend the market is giving us. What we should find is our key level wey we will be executing the trade on the lower time frame. Are you getting it? So the market already broke this our support level here, but the market e gave us double bottom, like W pattern. Went up, came back here, e tested it. But if the market break this our support level, what will we turn to? It will turn to a resistance level, because I told you the other time, if the market break a support level, it's going to turn to what? A resistance level. So if the market break the resistance level, don't forget the trend of the market is what? Bullish. And if you are trading against the trend, that's when your trading plan is already getting poor. I'm not here to talk about tell you about how to trade or trading psychology, but if you want to learn more about that, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be saving this video so you can watch it like 2 or 3 times. Are you getting what I'm saying? So if the market break the support level, we'll be looking for another support level to buy, because I'm not changing my perspective against this trend, because all what I'm looking for is to buy, because the trend already showed us that this market is obviously buying. So it could sell for the main time, but eventually it will later buy. Are you getting my point? So now we could see that the lower time frame is giving us a bearish trend formation, 1 hour is giving us a bullish formation, while the 4 hours, the overall trend is giving us a bullish formation. So what are we here to do? This is here we involve our trend line, and our trend line represents our support level. Are you getting it? So we take our trend line. Most of the new beginners that is watching this video, you might look confused, but trust me, you want to learn more, subscribe on the subscribe, just press the subscription button, and I'll teach you guys more on how to trade as a beginner. I'll do this one for the new year. Anything that is making us money inside trading, we're bagging it like and shit, man. And shit, let's go there. So let's continue. So we'll draw our trend line from the lowest bottom to higher point. Go to our lower time frame, 15 minutes. So on this 16 minutes, what am I going to look for? I see the market is now creating a new higher high, coming higher high, higher low. And then if the market can give us a double bottom, like W pattern, we'll be buying at this point. Are you getting it? So just put our take profit. Are you getting it? I'll soon be done with this video because I still have a lot of things to do. I still have to teach others. And I'm looking at another support level. Are you getting it? Lower low of the market. Look at another support level where you should be looking at. So most of you can just screenshot this analysis I'm doing. You can like capture it so that you like check it again and take it. I'm giving you free signal, bro. Free signal. Giving you guys free signal. You can change it anytime. Just screenshot it and you see that it might obviously work. It might always come to our favor. If the market is not able to buy at this level, you should be able to buy at this level and go up. Are you getting it? Are you getting what I'm saying? So if you have any question, type it on the comment below. I'm waiting for you guys. Yeah. If you have any question below, And if like the video, type anything you want to ask. I'm here with you guys. Remember, NEUT-FX, anywhere that you see NEUT-FX, we're always bagging our profit, man, bagging that profit, bro. So I'll show you guys the result of the trade again. The mistake, yeah, I said I want to show you guys the mistake I did concerning the loss I had on my Profem challenge. The result I had on the Profem challenge losses. The first mistake I did, I told you guys that you should not do that mistake. I traded against the trend. That was Euro card. Euro card, I mean. I traded Euro card. It was around which point? I'm coming. It was around this point, yeah. I'm coming. It was around this point. The mistake I did, I was expecting the market to sell without checking the overall trend of the market, which was bullish. I was thinking the market is going to like calm down. That was the mistake I did. It's affected me psychology, and the mistake I did again, I was using a bigger lot size. You can see it. I was using 1.5 lot size, which really affected me. But now they learn from other people' mistake. They use those people' mistake, learn from other people' mistake, and work on yourself. I'm not saying you are not going to have mistake, but work on other. Use your learn from other people' mistake. And now I've already understand my mistake. I'll be consistent using 0.75 on the account for my normal lot size. I will update you guys on my Telegram channel, which if you join the link below, yeah, I'll update you guys. That was the mistake taking it to sell. Eventually, it went at the wrong side of the trade, and it my stop loss, man. And always be ready to take loss. Loss is always part of the game. Believe in yourself no matter what you do. I know this year we're ending great. We'll be going massive. Always believe. My life is just like a movie. As I always here, NEUT-FX, we're bagging profit, massive profit, man. Massive profit. So let's go back to our trade. GBP bro. GBP. Okay, the market is already going up. It's already going up. For me, another trend on its own. You always, when the market is on, respecting the trend. When the market is bullish and the market is going at the market trend, it's always respect it. Unbelievers will cry. Yeah, that's what my friend guy is telling me right now. Unbelievers will cry, bro. So let's see what we're doing. I'll be ending the live stream in the next 1 or 2 minutes, checking what the trade have for us. Yeah. So what we'll be waiting for is expecting the market to come back here, or if it doesn't, we'll take the trade. Let's share good. Let's share good, yeah. Obviously, you see, I'm talking about that sharp pattern that I was talking about. Double top. I came back to take the neckline, so obviously we're waiting for a sell. But what I'm looking for, this market obviously buy, to buy, to buy, to buy. So at least if you want to look for good, wait for the buy, to buy, to buy. Buy USD JPY. But I don't know what I'll say about USD JPY. But let's go to USD GBP USD. This is what I focus on. Looking for a sell level at that point or this point. Yeah. So have a nice day. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Priority to grow this year. And like, give it a like and comment. Join my Telegram channel. And let's see what we have for this trade. Lock in, bro. Lock in. Lock in, bro. Lock in. Lock in. Always believe in yourself. And that's all.